Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good, and if you're new to this channel, hopefully you won't leave without subscribing. As you guys can see from the caption of this video, it's what's in my bag video. I had this video in my mind for so long because of how much I've been doing my work vlogs. This bag is my go-to. It's just a quick and grab bag that I use to work, so without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into this video. Bag that I'll be showing you guys. This is a bag I carry to work each and every day. I bought this bag from AliExpress. I don't remember the company, but I think I bought this bag 2 years, if not 3 years ago, before the pandemic. If I do find the link of this bag, I'll link it on the description box for you guys. But the shipping costs of AliExpress, girl, especially on clothes and bags and makeup and all that, the lashes, and it's just so ridiculous. So yeah, let's just dig in this bag, because girl, there's a lot that's going on here. So the very first thing I have in my bag is hand sanitizer. Obviously we are in the corona situation, so obviously you need to carry your own hand sanitizer. This hand sanitizer from Spa, and also what, there's a lot of things here, but guys, like in the bucket, I don't know which thing to show you guys first because I'm Pete. But yeah, I also have my vitamins. So I think my iron level is a bit low, so I need vitamins, and I'm one of those people that catches a cold very quickly, and my sinus, so I need my vitamins each and every day. The thing I'll show you guys is my Inuka perfume. I'm one of those people that loves to smell good. Guys, you have to smell fresh. Your perfume or your cologne needs to greet people, because girl, the other thing that you see in my bag is obviously petroleum jelly, because it's winter. Your hands don't need to be ashy, your feet, your knuckles, your lips and all that. So this is my bad boy. I always carry this with me. And another thing is I usually have my earphones with me, just in case people are annoying me or want to listen to some music or a podcast. So another thing that you guys see is obviously highlighters. I always carry my highlighters with me because I need to take each and everything that I did the week. And also I have my note book with me. I usually write all the things that I planned for the week, and also my work stuff as well. So I usually carry this with me. Or sometimes if I do forget this at home, I usually have this sticker note situation. So I write everything that I need to do, and all the reminders of my managers and everything and all that. So yeah, that's why I have that in my bag, or sometimes if I do forget it. Yeah, and another thing, I have my crusty ass wallet. Guys, can someone please remind me to buy a wallet, because girl, I don't, the thing is with me, I don't really carry my wallet that much, but it has my Donbass, my ID, it has my, what's this, it has my bank cards, my old crusty student card. I don't want to show you guys because it's embarrassing. That's my mom and sister. And I also have my library card, because girl, I'm a bookworm, I read a lot, and some cash. This is, how much do I have? I'm always broke, by the way. I also have this savings card. I also have my bank card and the savings card from ShopRite, because your girl likes to save on grocery, because a healthy grocery is expensive. I have 10 rands and some few coins. I don't want to show that because there's a lot of coins. And I have my doctor's certificate with me here, yeah. And I have my ex's card. I'm not gonna show you guys the picture because it's so embarrassing, but yeah. I also have my hand lotion, Bramley. It's the Magnolia, so I use these on my hand, and my hands are a bit dry right now, so let me just use it now also, because baby, I'm a working girl. Like, I work, I do a lot these days. So yeah, and I also have a mirror I got for free from the Bramley what, Magnolia tissue oil. Yeah, girl, I look very beautiful. I have this mirror with me just in case I want to check if ever I don't have the green ladies, or if ever I don't have boogies or something funny, because girl, someone with sinus, a lot can happen underneath those masks. And I also have my power bank. I bought it from Pap as well. I bought this from Pap. I think it was 180 or something. Yeah, and I also need to charge it just in case we can run up into load shedding or what situation. And I also have like my pens here with me just in case I remember something. And I have my favorite bad boy, my Zamba, because in winter time I need these because I have a problem with my lips. The venterlipper, as Khaled would say. My boy helps me a lot in this winter. And I also have my Katikura ointment. If ever my Zambak is not working, if ever I can't find my Zambak, I make sure that I have my Katikura just for my lips. This is an ointment for my face, but sometimes I use it for my lips. Yeah, because I remember there was this other time I had this blister, flu blister. This Katikura ointment really helped me a lot with that. And I also have a USB, my USB that has different inputs in it. So yeah, and I have a bunch of slips here, and I have a band-aid just in case something happens. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I decided I want to make this short video just so I can just entertain you guys with what's in my work bag. If you guys want to see another part 2 whereas I'm showing you guys my bag, or maybe my collection bags or anything like that, comment down below if you guys want to see that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and follow me on my Instagram, okay?